Hi everybody, are you all doing well today? It's great to be here on our next pronunciation lesson. Today, let's look at two sounds, eh and a. Eh as in left and a as in break. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's look at the vowel eh, as in left. To produce this sound, open your jaw and your mouth, but not very wide, like this. Eh. 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 This is a short sound. Eh. 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 Let's read the eh sound together. Eh. Left. In Singapore, we drive on the left side of the road. Eh. Enter. You can't enter this building without permission. Seatbelt. Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt. Centre. I live in the city centre. Well done everyone, great work so far. Now let's move on to our next sound. A as in break. This diphthong is the combination of two vowel sounds, eh and I. First we make the sound eh. Then we move from sound eh to I by lifting our tongue, like this. Eh, I. Eh, I. A. One more time. A. 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 Are you ready to practice the sound A? Let's go. A. Break. Make sure you don't break the traffic rules. A. Train. I'm on the way to the train station. A. Mistake. We must try and learn from our mistakes. A. Plane. The plane is on its way to London. Fantastic job, everyone. you work so hard today. Keep trying your best and your pronunciation will no doubt improve. See you in the next lesson, everyone. Goodbye.